Here you go, sir.
See this? These things won't be around much longer.
Gosh, I know it. Okay, get you anything else?
Wait. What's that? That's burnt. Look, that's burnt.
Yeah, I guess it is just a little bit there. You want me to get you another one?
I want to know why you would serve me burnt stuff. Burnt stuff causes cancer. Are you trying to give me cancer?
No, sir, I'm not trying to give you cancer. I'm just trying to serve you some lunch. I'm just going to get you another one, okay?
I don't want another one. I'm going to take my knife and I'm going to scrape off the burnt stuff. But I want you to understand, burnt stuff causes cancer. It's like you brought me poison out here, like it was nothing at all. If I weren't educated, I might have eaten that. Now, how are we going to make this right?
I'm going to talk to my manager and make sure we don't charge you. How's that?
Well, okay. You make sure you talk to your cook, though, and explain it to him. Burnt stuff causes cancer. Look it up on the internet.
Cancer. Got it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.